Hi, my name is Molly Fletcher. I'm DP at Whenuapai School. I've been here, this is my third year. We're a little bit of a hidden secret. We're a small school at the front, but we open up into this beautiful green space. I've been a Writer's Toolbox fan since my previous school, and so when I started here it was a no-brainer. It was the first thing I did, and even introduced sentence styles and that before everybody even knew about Writer's Toolbox. We just started going because I know that's what teachers need to teach great writing. The aha moment, I guess, knowing that it was the right thing for our teachers and our students, was knowing how to teach. Was never taught how to teach writing, and I've never been a particularly good writer, but I just felt like I had tools in my kitty that I could share with students and go, hey, let's try this. Look, this is how you do this. And they went, oh, cool. And they could do it. And that sense of satisfaction straight away of how to actually achieve something. One thing I really feel confident in is the data that we are getting is really accurate. And that's a real shift. There's so many different interpretations of what structure and organisation can look like. Whereas the Writer's Toolbox just helps us know this is what it looks like with Writer's Toolbox, this is what it looks like at a level 3 and a level 4, or the different year levels even. My favourite thing about Writer's Toolbox is that it gets me in the classroom. I get to go in and I get to teach, and I know where they're at. Somebody could, call in sick, and I'll go, yeah, I'll jump in and I can teach expansion. I've got those tools, the resources, but once you've had it modelled and coached to you, I think it's embedded in your practice, and you can jump into any classroom at any year level and you can know where they're at and what they need to do. It's a quick, easy way to motivate, and that students feel success, I guess. Writing is so hard to get success, and whether it be on a word count on a 10-minute quick write, or whether it's nailing that explore the subject sentence, or just feeling really proud about having something printed and put up on the wall, publishing, getting your writing recognised by others. Everybody has success at the varying levels, especially the teachers.